Ever wish that you could win most of your payment term negotiation, reduce credit risk, and enforce credit policy compliance all at once? Meet ACE by CapAid, your all-in-one solution that revolutionizes credit management, empowers sales teams, and ensures policy adherence. Welcome to a new era of customer credit management with ACE by CapAid. ACE has three key components to revolutionize your credit operations: the credit policy to treat your customers fairly, the credit department to make credit decisions in seconds, and the sales interface for the best possible sales negotiation support. Let's dive into the sales interface of ACE, your direct interface for fair, smart, and effective sales credit terms negotiations. Let's see how ACE changes your credit management process by transforming tricky sales negotiations into successful customer management. With ACE, you'll expect the benefit of 20 to 40% faster customer payments. ACE presents a clear and easy-to-understand interface from the moment you log in. The interface consists of three parts: select customer, deal information, and payment term negotiation. First, sales representatives select the customer's company they are negotiating with, and then initiate either new negotiations or continue existing ones. Then you will jump to the second part, which is the deal information. Here you select the invoicing currency, the type of sales, and the frequency. The invoicing currency can be selected from this drop-down menu, which currently shows euro. ACE smartly integrates the selected currency's interest and exchange rates, ensuring fair and competitive terms right from the start. Then select the type of sale: product, project, or service. ACE automatically applies the correct policy rules based on your selection. Here, at the frequency button, you can decide if this is a framework agreement or a one-time sale, impacting the contract's duration and terms. The next button will take you to the detailed negotiation page. At the top of the payment term negotiation page, you will see the selected customer's name, the sales representative's name, and the type of negotiation, whether it's a product, service, or project. The invoice history drop-down allows you to view the customer's past invoice history, making it easy to find the one needed. At the core of ACE's power is instant access to vital information. This analytics box, which consists of three parts: customer payments, benchmark, and credit limit. ACE will provide real-time data about the customer, such as payment terms from their last invoice, late payments, and the total overdue amount, all without the need to consult the finance department. In addition to that, it also offers customer and industry benchmarking data to use as argumentation in the negotiation. In this example, your company has days sales outstanding of 32 days, which means that you receive payments on average in 32 days. In the industry benchmark, the days sales outstanding is 35 days. Finally, your customer pays their suppliers in 40 days on average. So, you don't need to know all the financial theory and have a deep knowledge of how everything works. All you need is to have ACE, and everything is calculated for you. Lastly, ACE analyzes the credit limits, outstanding customer invoices, customer credit insurance needed based on the payment term input, and available credit insurance. By using all these analytical facts, the salesperson will be able to create a strong argument for the payment term negotiation. I give you an example. Your customer's payment term is 30 and now demanding 45 days. The salesperson can argue that your payment term is 30 and we receive your payments 10 days late. So you pay us in 40 days. Before we enter into payment term negotiation, we need to ensure that you stick to the terms agreed. We would be happy to come back to the payment term negotiation with you when we have proof of compliance with the terms agreed. Now let's move to the payment term negotiation components. Deal size, payment term, late payment interest, reminder fee, and payment schedule. The size of the deal is prominently displayed with contextual data such as past purchase amounts. This helps in understanding the financial scale of the deal and setting appropriate payment terms. This will set certain parameters based on the importance of the customer. Based on your policy, ACE calculates the terms the salesperson can offer the customer. Here, the policy gives a payment term of 30 days free of charge and a maximum of 45 days. Within these limits, the salesperson can negotiate and close the deal. If needed, you can also divide payments into prepayments, installments, and post-payments. This schedule is mostly used in project sales. This feature ensures that ACE can be used for all kinds of sales, and all the rules are set in the policy depending on what you prefer. Once you have set all the parameters, then ACE calculates the cost of the credit that you should charge your customer. The cost of credit is calculated based on the customer's credit rating, payment behavior, and other relevant factors. This calculation determines whether the customer will be charged an extra fee on top of the invoice amount. Here is how the cost of the credit is being used in negotiations. For example, imagine a customer initially has a payment term of 30 days, but now requests a payment term of 45 days. As a salesperson, you input 45 into this box, representing the number of days. Now ACE automatically calculates both the cost of credit and the credit limit needed. In this case, the cost of credit is 0.75%. And the credit limit needed is 450,000 euros. If you agree to 35 days instead, ACE will recalculate. The cost of credit will decrease from 0.75% to 0.25%. And the credit limit needed will be the same as the available credit limit. As a salesperson, it's crucial to keep the payment term as short as possible. ACE helps you by pressing the negotiation support button. It will provide the optimal negotiation strategy. This way, you can offer financial theory-based facts to the customer instead of pushing them to accept a particular approach. But if you still cannot reach an agreement, ACE offers additional support by escalating the issue to the credit department for further guidance. When it's time to close the deal, everything is straightforward. Confirm the terms and ACE handles the rest, sending all necessary documentation to the financial department and the customer. So, ACE transforms the traditional complexities of sales credit management and policy enforcement into a streamlined and supportive process across its three integral components: policy, credit department, and sales interface. It's not just about selling. It's about selling smarter. With ACE, empower your sales team with the best available tool to achieve better terms, faster payments, and stronger relationships, all while minimizing credit risk. Ready to revolutionize how your sales team operates? Contact us today to learn more about ACE and start transforming your sales negotiations from fighting with the customer to closing win-win deals. ACE by CapAid, where technology meets smart selling.